This first one is Eow. Eow.
Oh, you know, that's like almost like a sad cat sound. Like a cat that's going through pain. Meow.
All right, so wait. You are from the Bronx?
Good night.
I know exactly when it happened.
You remember exactly when you got your club shot up?
Yeah, because that one night, it had to be that night. It had to be that night. You know what I'm saying?
But
Who ate all the food that only left the fucking beans? Selfish motherfuckers. Selfish!
That's, I want you to repeat after me. Okay then, well let's step it up a notch then. A lot of you children, you know what? I've been realizing that like a lot of kids, they really love me and they be looking up to me, and like, you know, when I be seeing them, they just be like, Cardi, I love you, I'm your biggest da-da-da-da. And you know what? Because of the kids, I have to realize I do have to change. I have to change in the cursing, certain type of things I do. I gotta keep them in mind, you know, because they love me. But not today, though. Today I'm wildin'. Today I'm bugging and thugging. Not today. But soon, though. I love y'all. Stay in school. You know what I'm saying? Stay in school and don't let nobody bully you. You know what I'm saying? Somebody bully you, hit them the fuck back and be like, bitch, look how you look. Fuck. Talking about me. I'm actually very human. Like, a lot of people think that these celebrities like don't have feelings and everything. I'm a very emotional person. I pretty much want the same shit you want, motherfucker.
Have you guys met before, John,
cute.
Cardi?
No, we haven't.
No, you look British.
I look British?
Yeah.
I think thank you.
Yeah.
Steve on 5 times platinum. I can't believe it. I really can't believe it. Oh, I can't wait to drop this album, and I can't wait to finish this verse so I could go bother my man. Play with his balls. I was cracking you. You was like, help me, help me. So every time I take a picture with a nigga and I put it up on my gram, people be like, oh, I bet you fucking them. Oh, you fuck them. Like, come on. Are y'all kidding me? Why are you clocking my pussy? How about you worry about what your pussy could do for you or what your bitch pussy could do for y'all? Like the Pet Shop Boys.
The Pet Shop Boys? I look like the Pet Shop Boys?
What me and you together?
You think I give a fuck? This I be where hoes throw me shots in the green. I ain't no princess though. I'm a gangster. You know what I'm saying? Government is taking 40% of my taxes, and Uncle Sam, I want to know what you're doing with my fucking tax money, because you know what I'm saying. Like when you donate to a kid from a foreign country, they give you updates of what they doing with your donation. I want to know what you're doing with my fucking tax money, because I'm from New York and the streets is always dirty. We was voted the dirtiest city in America. What is y'all doing? There's still rats on the damn trains. I know y'all not spending it in no damn prison, because y'all be giving niggas like 2 underwears, 1 jumpsuit for like 5 months. So what is y'all niggas doing with my fucking money? What is y'all doing with my fucking money? I want to know. I want receipts. I want everything. I want to know what y'all niggas doing with my fucking money. What is y'all niggas doing with my fucking money? Uncle Sam, I want to know what the fuck you doing with my motherfucking money. I thought he was going to give me like a watch or something. But he just went out his way. Oh. I gotta go use the bathroom. And by the way, I farted. You guys wanna know some real shit that I have learned? Like, I've been hanging around with a lot of people that's wealthy, that is rich, that is famous. And one thing I learned about these people is that, like, no matter how much money you have, no matter how big you are, how famous you are, like, they will still end up stealing your charger and your lighter.
What is in your box?
not a penis. To like house music, so I used to like dance like this, really loose, really sensual. Erotic, erotic, put your hands all over my body. That was one of the songs I used to love to dance to.
They say I'm too ratchet, they say I act wild. I'm trying with the phone like a bad child. They call me stepping once, tell them try that now. Cardi B, know it's me, hear that bad sound. Back.
Now repeat after me again. And I got new god kids out of nowhere. You know, once you start making money, everybody wants you to be their kid's godmother. It's like. As a comedian at heart, like I have like 100 people working in my inside my brain. I always been like this in school, everything. It just makes me feel good. Like I don't know why I do it. My head functions really differently. I wish somebody could like go inside my ear, go to my brain, and find out what's going on over there because it's not normal.
What is it? Tell me what it is.
I don't know what it is.
All right. You're gonna have to make up something because I have to guess if you're lying or telling the truth.
I don't know what it is.
I can wait. You can think of a name for it.
Welcome, guys, and welcome to Health with Cardi B. Now, if you have an inner vagina smell, don't try to douche, don't try to do nothing. You need to go to the doctors. Now, matter of fact, bitch, you need to go to the hospital. Go to the emergency room and tell them to check you out ASAP. Like, make up a lie. Be like, you have a tampon stuck in your pussy so they could just check you out ASAP. Because, sis, shit is not working. And then right after, I suggest females to drink cranberry juice once or twice a week. You know, cranberry juice is type nasty, but fuck, you gotta do it. And go on a yogurt diet for like a whole week. You know what I'm saying? Eat yogurt every day for like a whole week. And yeah. And then people say I don't give good advice. They crazy.
The nerve of them.
The fucking nerve of them. I'm saving these bitches and these niggas fucking knows.
I'll tell you if I think you have to know what it is.
Pussy balls. Are they pussy balls or not?
Now, pussy balls.
You know, a lot of bitches show me love. A lot of bitches show me love. And I love my bitches. I love me a lot of you bitches. But a lot of bitches is mad, though. A lot of bitches is mad. And I be seeing it. But you want to know something, bitch? Don't be a why her and not me type of bitch. Be a how can I get next to that bitch type of bitch. Be a shit, well, if she could do it, I could do it too type of bitch. Don't be a oh, why that ratchet ass bitch? Because God chose me, bitch. I don't fucking know why, and sometimes I don't know how. But I'm here though, bitch. The fuck? Figure it out. Figure it the fuck out. Fuck, I figure it out, bitch.
Actually, I heard that President Trump is a big fan of yours and he wanted to send you a message. So now, here's a special delivery from the White House. Take a look at this.
He gonna kill me. I don't understand how you motherfuckers see artists every single day busting their ass. Like, I bust my ass every single day. Every day. But y'all want to blame the success on motherfucking Illuminati. You wear a checker shit, Illuminati. Triangle, Illuminati. Oh, motherfucking, I do a video during Fire Illuminati. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Do you know if I spend my money tomorrow, I ain't gonna have shit? Eh? You know if I stop doing music, if I stop working tomorrow, if I be like, I don't want to fucking work I don't want to work no more. My shit will go down the garbage. Shut the fuck up with this shit. I pray to God every single day for me to be where I'm at. So why, where I am, where I'm at, that's when I'm gonna stop fucking with God. Shut the fuck up. A bitch is a whole straight Catholic Christian bitch.
fuck Satan, fuck you for your dumbass shit.
Someone knows it. Someone's doing it. Someone knows. Now this is. Yeah.
Because they all gave me a vibe.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't even put it if I didn't like it.
Mm-hmm.
I like it like that. That's my favorite.
I like it too.
This is eow, but it's higher.
No. Ow! Yeah. I don't like when my mom touches me.
You don't like when your mom touches
Yeah, she
you?
want to touch my stomach and everything. I was like, Mom, stop it.
That's her grandbaby.
It just makes me feel weird.
Now, have you slowed down?
You know, it's like a cold pigeon in New York City.
Okay, well, yeah, so now.
I'd be like, you know what? I did good. Whatever. It sounds pretty good. When I see old videos of me, I'd be like, damn. My teeth were fucked up.
Is it amazing to you how
What? My boyfriend at the time, he dumped me 2 weeks before my prom.
What?
But I honestly think it's because he didn't want to pay for the limo. But then that night, forget it.
We talk about the curved dick. Like, you know, niggas' dicks that be curving like this, like a cashew or like a banana or some shit. Like, those type of dicks is actually a shape, right? And a lot of niggas have that type of shape. And like, you know, sometimes they those type of dicks hit the spot in the pussy, but it's really hard to get fucked in the ass with those type of dicks because it just don't go straight to your asshole. And those type of cocks, the bended curved cocks, it's actually real uncomfortable, like, you know, to like suck because it's not like a straight penis. Like a straight penis just go like straight down your throat. But that type of shit is like, you gotta position yourself a certain type of way. Like if you're a newbie to a nigga that has a curved dick, it's gonna be very uncomfortable or very weird to adjust your mouth.
You don't want to get into it, but that night something, you saw him again?
No, I just...
Did someone pay for the limo?
This is Cardi. Cardi got crooked teeth. Cardi still get fucked by the scammers and the drug dealers and still get the money from them. Cardi is happy. Be like Cardi.
Looking like timber, looking like a right swipe on Tinder. Shit on these hoes, light up my wrist on these hoes. Now I look down on these bitches. I do like I'm on stilts on these hoes.